What is going on with y'all boys? And I'm glad you guys stumbled across this video for either three reasons. You follow me, you're subscribed to me, you have notifications on, and you support, which is, I love that. Second, you're struggling to pass an account and get a payout. The other one is you have no clue about how to trade, things of that nature. This will give you the roadmap. So, jumping into this video, there's going to be three main things that we're going to go over. This video will not be no longer than 5 minutes, I promise you. So give me 5 minutes of your time. First one, we're going to cover risk management, 5 to 10% per trade, right? This revolves around your account balance and literally just your equity. So this is for prop firms. I highly recommend this. This will set you farther than most traders, because a lot of traders, they take 2 to 3 losses and over risk. So you want to stick with this risk management until your level of comfortability within trading is increased. You have confidence. Now from there, we run right down into the 1-to-1 plus RR. This, you need to have an RR ratio that exceeds your losers. So if you have a negative RR, you won't be profitable. And I promise you, you will not be profitable, because every loss you take, you would have to win at least 2 to 3 times before you can exceed those losses if you have a negative RR. So now from there, right, you want to set daily loss limits. When you set daily loss limits, this increases your edge in winning within the market. Not only does it filter you out of all of the noise, it literally helps you survive within the market, because trading is about durability, not the base quick winners, the win $5,000 one day, lose $6,000. No, that's not. No, you want structure. You want to have daily loss limits to keep you in the game. Now from there, you want to risk an amount you're comfortable with. When you don't risk an amount you comfortably are willing to lose, you will start to trade from greed and trade emotionally. You do not want to trade emotionally. That is the worst thing anybody as a trader can do. Now, we jump over into the strategy portion. Strategy portion, right? You want to have at least 30 to 90 trades, forward tested or back tested. We go over into 40% win rate or plus. You want to have at least a 40 plus win rate. Anything below with a 1-to-1 RR, you're not going to be profitable. I promise you, you're not going to be profitable. Now, from here, your win rate needs to identify confidence. Once you identify your win rate, you need to have the structure, the journals. Once you have this, you have confidence. Right? This comes with journaling. Journal every entry, journal every emotion. This all ties back to your strategy. Now, the next topic we're going to go over is very useful. Without psychology, you won't be able to trade. If you don't have a freaking head on your shoulder, strategy doesn't matter, your risk management doesn't matter, the 40% win rate doesn't matter, the 90 trades don't matter. Like literally. Psychology. Not a lot of traders talk about psychology. A lot of people really show you the huge winners and things of that nature. They never want to be transparent within trading. And I feel like that is where a lot of traders go wrong. Now, I am a guy that really preaches psychology. If you haven't checked out my videos, go look at my YouTube shorts and things of that nature. So from here, I want to talk about the break within trading and how this can improve your psychology. When you take breaks from trading, it not only gives you the mental relief, trading is very stressful. You are going against higher ups. You're here. The guys you're going against are here. They've been trading for decades, 30 years, 40 years. You get what I'm saying? So it's very important you give yourself a break. Take time to yourself. Relax. Take breaks when needed. I'm not saying forget about forward testing and back testing and things of that nature, because you can work around that. But if you feel as though you're overwhelmed and things of that nature, anxious, take breaks, bro. It's not worth the mental capacity, because in trading, you want to perform at your all-time best. So now, since we covered this topic, you want to enjoy life, bro. You want to enjoy life. Whether you back tested, forward tested, enjoy life. Do not solely dedicate your life to trading, because then you start to get emotionally attached to your trading results in your open P&L. You will lose a trade, right? Say you lost a trade. You start to weigh those losses onto your life. Now you lost a trade. You're all sad. You don't want to talk to nobody. Like, you don't want that. You win a trade. You're happy. You want to talk to everybody. You go out and talk to people you don't even know. Now, get outside and don't compare yourself to others, because the second you stop doing this and you literally start to compare yourself to others, bro, that is when your trading will decline. You will see somebody win and you think, oh yeah, I deserve that, bro. No, you don't. You don't even know what they've been through to get to where they are at. So you do not need to compare yourself. That is the big thing. Now, from here, we go into self-improvement, bro. Self-improvement is elevation. That is key to everything that you do. If that's reading books, being organized, you need to self-improve. You have to have self-love, because the more you love yourself and literally dig into having and higher up, you know, I don't know if any of you guys are spiritual or not, but I'm Christian. I really believe that God is the greatest. Like, literally, he will dig you out of anything. But yeah, this is literally the easiest roadmap to profitability. Like, there's no shortcuts, no cookie cutters, no nothing. I will continue to preach these three main concepts to profitability. And at the end of every single video, I'm telling you, this camera may be trash, but your boy will hit a flex every time. Come on, baby. Let's go. Road to profitability. I am excited for you guys. If you guys take notes, I hope you guys found this video very, very, very effective. Now, I do run a $25 a month premium Discord. Hit the link down below. It's a premium Discord. It provides a lot of values for my trade breakdowns, why I took them, and it provides psychology stuff and risk management stuff. If you're ever interested, it's open. Link is down below.